Iziphathimandla zezempilo e-Eastern Cape ziyavuma ukuthi isikhinyabezeke kakhulu iziguli ngesikhathi kunokuphazamiseka kokusebenza kwezinye izikhungo zezempilo. Umnyango uthi usuqala uphenyo ngokugqekezwa okubikwe kwezinye izikhungo zezempilo nokushiya izisebenzi sihlalele ovalweni.
A series of break-ins, 6 break-ins at the Motherwell Community Healthcare Centre. We do want to note, though, that those break-ins, when computers were stolen, those incidents, there was no signs of forced entry. So the department opened a case and we are putting together a panel to do an investigation into why and how those computers disappeared.
Inyunyane yabahlengikazi iDenosa ithi umnyango wezempilo uhlulekile ukulungisa ngesikhathi izinkinga ezibhekene nesisebenzi ikakhulukazi odabeni lokuphepha kwazo ezikhungweni zezempilo.
The last straw was when the employees were also at gun pointed, they were threatened, their lives were threatened, and then they came to us and said something needs to be done. We've called the department, we have stated clearly what needs to be done, and we're not going to compromise to the security of our people, because not only the security of employees, but also of the patients who are seeking healthcare center.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi zizoqondiswa izigwegwe izisebenzi ezingenele isiteleka esingekho emthethweni zaphazamisa ukusebenza.